Shalom, brothers and sisters. It's your brother Wasilkamilbey, and this is Shamstoppers. Now we're gonna talk about child support in Montana. You probably think I wasn't gonna make no videos today, but no, that ain't the point. That ain't the case. You know, we're gonna talk about child support in Montana. All right. You just seen that thing say justice for all, right? Justice for all of who, whom, and what. Okay? Y'all see that? Y'all want to go to the courts? This is in Montana, people. Courts. We got the Supreme Court, we got District Court. Let's see what District Court talks about. They got Youth Court. What is Youth Court? Juveniles, right? Okay. I'm trying to find family court. What is family court? Everything here, people, is right here at your fingertips. They even got the manuals right here. Look at that. They got the bench book. They got the clerk's manual. Look at that shit, man. Clerk's manual. Administrative, criminal complaints, notice to appear, court appearance, dispositions. Look at that. Civil, judgment, small claims. You see all that shit? Montana, baby. Y'all see that? Job description. We're gonna go through the clerk's job description because none of these people do this type of stuff, but we do here at Shamstoppers. And let me tell you something. If you call our phone restricted, I will not pick up. I repeat, if you call the phone restricted, you are not going to get an answer, okay? Grow the fuck up, become a grown-up. Like us at Shamstoppers, we don't have time to be playing these booger ass games. So if you're a man, hit us up, all right? The job description for a clerk in a court of limited jurisdiction will vary from court to court, depending on caseload, number of clerks, and other factors. However, there are many similarities due to procedures that are mandated by law. Alright? Y'all see that shit? Duties and skills of the clerk. Let's get to her duties and skills. Now it's a her, because her is taking all the liability. Okay? Her is taking all the liability because she don't know. She don't read. The clerk of the court limited jurisdiction to maintain the records of the court and to perform duties prescribed by judge and by law. The duties include, or are not limited to, keeping all books and papers, record filed by the court, records filed by the court, keeping all books and papers. Hey, if they don't know their job duty, we finna teach them their goddamn job duty because they don't read this shit. Ask Miss Kim Davis about this shit in Kentucky. She was crying. Oh, bitch, you shouldn't have took that job. Keeping an index of the court documents is provided by law. Keeping a record of all monies collected. Yeah, they gonna keep the money. They gonna keep that motherfucking money, right? Because this is what it's all about. Money, sex, and drugs. You're gonna need the money to buy the sex and drugs, right? So money answers all things while we're here. So people, stop getting it fucked up. Stop getting it twisted. It's all about the money, the cake, the moolah, the dinero. Okay? See, look at that shit. keeping records of payments. They keep talking about payments. Issuing processes and notices allowed by law to be issued. Attending hearings of the court and hearings in the chambers when required by the judge. Okay, why is she going in the chambers? What's she finna do? Shit. Find Dolly sucky. Issuing and maintaining a record of qualified jurors, keeping a record of attendance of jurors and witnesses, preparing documents, orders, and correspondence for the court as may be required by the law or by the judge. Wow. Man, you getting it right here on Shamstoppers. What the clerk job duties is. Who putting up this shit? We are. Shamstoppers, baby. Ain't nobody else putting this shit up. You fucking with the real. Stop fucking with them chicken dinners over there. They got their ass kicked. You know what I'm saying? In federal court, we don't. We do the ass kicking. Okay? Everybody's watching us. Everybody. We watching your ass too. We all gonna watch each other. Motherfucker. Yes, you see that shit? Administrative duties of a clerk, baby. Huh? They had books for y'all to read on the websites in Montana. If you on child support in Montana, this is why you're on child support, because you don't read this shit. You don't read your enemy's book. We're gonna talk about the next video. Was your child support payment tendered to you? Ooh-wee. Tendered. Do you know what tender is? Well, we're gonna break down tender and we're gonna read from my Black Laws Dictionary. Okay? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? Administrative. I'm gonna let y'all read this for a little bit. Drool on that shit. Ooh, look at that. I like that. The clerk is on the front line to the public. Oh, boom, boom, boom. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Hey, we got the real proof is in a motherfucking pudding over here. I know y'all finna watch these football games and shit. You know what I'm saying? Hey, enjoy yourself, have fun, but get you some of this education so, you know, you won't be ran over. Ooh, criminal. We ain't gonna do criminal because I don't fuck with that. We ain't no criminals. You know what I'm saying? Oh, when a warrant is issued instead of a summons, write the issue date of the warrant, the amount of the warrant in the docket. The clerk may also note the information on the original complaint. Once again, it's important to be consistent when you note any information in place other than a docket. Hey, if you need help with warrants, discharging warrants, hit us up. Hit us up. If you ready to get off this shit, fuck with us, man. We got you. If you ready, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be serious. You gotta be on your note. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. Look at all this shit, man. This in Montana. Let me go and move on. Child support enforcement. Division. Dividing you and your sons and daughters. Division. They want division between you and yours. You don't see the etymon of this shit? Huh? Division. Right? Are they gonna divide their family for yours? No. They say, fuck your family. Right? Am I right? Look at this. Administrative rules of Montana. Motor vehicle liens. What that got to do with that? People, if you ready to get your lawsuit on, fuck with us. Because this here don't mix with this. This is being the motor vehicles. This is being the DMV. This shouldn't be nothing with child support. So this is what they want to say. They want to get your ass because you ain't paying a bill. They want to stop you from making your money. Well, hey, let's all stop each other from making some money and see who gonna win. Fuck with us at Shamstoppers. You don't have to worry about that shit. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Yes. Y'all have to worry about this pussy ass shit. Let's go to the administrative rules of Montana. See that? Administrative rules of Montana available at this site contain what should be the same text as the official version published by the Office of Secretary of State. Ooh, whoop, 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 whoop. This is a possibility, however, that the content may vary from the original version. Oh, so they done changed some shit. You see what I mean? He who makes the rules can change the rules. Okay? What are original rules at? Y'all should be asked. That's a question y'all should be asking. I shouldn't be asking that for you. Look at the forms. Let's go to the forms. Child support application. Okay? Look at this shit. Paternity acknowledgement form and withdrawal of paternity. Let's see this form, baby. Look at this form, baby. Yes. Let's get it on. It's Saturday. Look where it's coming from. Hey, this is the greatest channel on YouTube, right? Did I say that? I forgot to tell y'all that. This is the greatest fucking channel on YouTube. Look at all this shit. Both parties must sign before a notary public. Notary public. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me. Too hype right here. Look at that shit, man. Please print, sign using a ballpoint pen. Ooh, look at that, baby. Notice of withdrawal paternity acknowledgement. Look at that shit. Hey y'all, we fucking read over here. We don't repeat shit. We don't pass shit down. We are experts. We are not professionals. We're not. We don't profess to run tests on you and yours, okay? We're not professionals. We leave it to the other guys. We're the experts, okay? We have expertise. You know what I'm saying? You see this shit, man? Research our shit. Look at this. It's a civil section for Montana child support. Man, I told you you're getting a co-education over here, man. If you don't want our services, go read a fucking book. Go read a goddamn book. You heard it from me today. You heard it from Shamstoppers. You know, did child support tender you the bill, baby? Did they tender you the bill? That's what's coming up next. Tender. I got a receipt from something yesterday I paid for. Tendered. It says tendered on the goddamn receipt. And y'all do get a receipt from child support and y'all don't even know what it is. You do get a receipt. Child support does give you a receipt. Yes, they sure do. It's something that you always volunteer to do. They use it for you to volunteer to do it. Okay? Yes. So hey, you need help? Hit us up. You know what I'm saying? Montana, Give us a shout out. You know, I like to send a shout out to all the brothers. Share, subscribe, like this shit. You know, peace to the people been checking on us and subscribing and liking. May the Almighty God, Almighty Creator bless you and yours. Peace.